Pasig City Mayor Vico Sotto is a frustrated doctor. For work, he decided to wear a scrub suit, which was given to him as a gift by this group. Sotto says wearing this made him appreciate more the work of medical frontliners. Danica Sotto remarks being a doctor suits her brother. A doctor agrees, but she stresses being mayor is a destiny for Sotto. The Pasig City COVID team is inviting doctors to join them. The mayor also has an invitation at the Pasig General Hospital.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.